call the passion problem trade canvas. So this is the ideation tool that we are going to be using. Ideation means that you have, do you have a skill, do you have a passion, do you have an experience. So it is called the passion problem trade canvas because we just look at the passion. But I have tried to localize it basically because that majority of us are working, some of us are working, and therefore they have what? Experience and the skills. Is that okay? And I'm also one of those people who believe that as long as you make money with something, it becomes your passion. It is very easy for you to be able to develop a passion by just making money from something. Is that okay? And therefore, by just looking at it alone, it is not going to be complete. Well on that. So what is a business idea? It's the response of a person or organization to solve an identified problem or to meet perceived needs in the environment. Is that okay? So you see a problem in the environment and you start asking yourself, how can you be able to solve that problem? Is that okay? That is what we call a business idea. Remember, I have said that you can have a very romantic business idea, but it does not have a business opportunity, and that is where you're supposed to validate it. So a business opportunity is an attractive investment. Can you get something from it? Is that okay? Can you capture value from it? That business idea. So a business idea is very important, but it must be viable. Is that okay? It must be valid, and that is why we are here. Now, when it comes to ideation, I'm not going to take a lot of your time talking about ideation process. This is what we call design thinking. I don't know whether you have heard people talk big here in this country about design thinking. So design thinking is just a concept of ideation where you empathize. First of all, you empathize. You listen to people's problems. Is that okay? You try to put yourself in the shoes of the people. Is that okay? Yes, and try to see their problem. And then you define those problems. Then ideate whatever we are doing here. Is that okay? And then you develop a prototype. You test it and then you share with people. That is what we call design thinking. So I'm not going to take a lot of time here because it is a lesson by itself, design thinking. Now, the reason as to why you see the majority of the people who are able to come up with products in this country are IT people, engineering people, is because of this. Because what engineering and IT students are taught is design thinking. Thinking like a designer. That